Now I'll experiment with the amount on the cushion. So generally the rule of thumb that's been widely known is you take one press of this and that should be enough to cover your face. It's not fully covered, so I'm going to keep pressing. And I've been using this cushion, so it's not as juicy as when I first got it. But there's one saturated puff. And then when I put it onto my skin, it's really hard to tell the amount because I don't think we'd be able to do a fair comparison actually because it's not 3D. It just pushes into the skin. So what I do with the cushion, if this is my only form of sunscreen, so I'm not using any of the other products in the bottle, then I would do this 4 times. So 4 presses, and then I would layer it 4 times. If this is my secondary form of sun protection, so I have sunscreen on underneath, and I'm using this as a finisher, then I would probably apply it once or twice, depending on what my activities are that day. If I'm sitting in the office all day, indoors, without any windows, then once of this would be enough. If I am out and about, then I would constantly be reapplying as if I were on vacation, like once every 2 hours or so.
Here's an easy demo of how to layer the cushion from one of my other videos in less than 2 minutes.
So I'm gonna put this on one side of my face. Can you see the difference from this side of my face to this side of my face? And this side of my face, there is a good amount of coverage. There's a big sunspot here, but I've managed to, with one layer, just cover up most of the blemishes that are visible, at least to my eye. So clearly I see a difference between this side being a lot glowy and dewy and more uniform, and this side just being my normal self. I don't know if you can tell the enhancement, but for me it's quite evident that, and I would do 2 layers of this. So just take what I put on the side here and then do another layer just to make sure that I'm using enough to get buildable coverage without looking cakey, and that's the key. So I pay particular attention to the corners of my nose. I'm just gonna do the rest of my face with this. And the benefit of using this is because it helps also reset the makeup and keep me hydrated as I go about doing my activities. I'm really happy that we are building a community here. I'm open to having chats with you one-on-one so that you can tell me about your skincare concerns and I can help you find the right products that will not only suit your skin but also your lifestyle. This is meant to be easy, and I know that there's a lot of busy people out there, but it's possible to take care of yourself as well as all the other things that you're doing throughout the day. Until next time, see you with better skin.